Okay, here is the package. This one is a dch-60CS with a gel, one bag of gel, and the cable, and this one. This one it's a DCH 60, and that's a controller. And it comes with the adapter, power adapter. Okay, this is a power adapter. That's a US adapter. If you need the Europe EU adapter, we can supply that also. So this one will be plugged in here, and I plug the. Okay, it's start running. That's the humidity in the room, so it will be in the humidors. This is sitting 7 day. This is a 3-day average, so 60 or 59 right now. That's the temperature, room temperature. So you can adjust to the F or C. Okay, they have a backlight. So that's and how to set up. This is a flat cable. It's almost 8 foot long, so probably 96 centimeter. So 8 foot long, so very long. So flat cable can passing through the door. So that's you can leave this controller outside, or you can just keep it inside if you have the hole in the back of the humidor cabinet. And let me put this one little down. So this is a slave tank. So it's come with package with like this one, this box, and the bottom one is for the bigger one. Okay. And let me go up a little bit more so it'll be easier to see. Okay. So how to connect? And I connect this come with slave tank. So actually it's you connect this one, connect right in here, and I connect this one over here. So that's the whole set. Okay, that's the whole set. So this one's a main tank running. This one's a slave tank. So this one. So once this one running, and keep this one running also. And I have one tank. It's already pre-filled with gel. So this is a gel already fill up the water. I fill up to water line. And this is a gel, one bag of gel can fill up all the way to here. So it's pretty solid right now inside. Do you see it? So let's do that. Okay. Let me open this one. And you can see the two water sensor in here. So one thing you need to make sure it's put a gel in the tank and distill water, so the fan will running. If you just put the distilled water, no gel, fan will not running because the gel or the distilled water is too pure. The sensor cannot detect the water. So look inside. Okay. So I feel like water is running. Okay. Then so if you take out, the fan will stop running. Okay. So you can push up a little bit, the fan running, but I don't suggest to do that. But fan will run. Once you touch to the water, the fan will run. That's a good thing. It's when the water very low, and see the beeper. This one will beep. So the fan will not continue running, make your cigar dry. So that will automatically shut off when the water is lower than here. So once this one running, and that's pushed down. So this one will fan will running also. So that's running together. Okay. So you can put it in there. I suggest that this one, if you have 4 shelf, and this one on the third one, this one on the bottom, so make the whole cabin, double door cabin that can go. So it's pretty nice. And I think that's it. So just plug in and run, that's it. And also this one can be the calibrate. And factory preset cylinder you don't need to worry about, but just in case you think this one is not accurate, you can hold it in here and look in here. So you can go down or go up to adjust. And you see it? Up or down, that's a calibrate. Okay, then you hold, that's a 66. Okay. And if you want to adjust in here, the settings, right now set 70. So you hold it in here until blinking. Then you adjust, I want 79, so you keep it 79. Push one thing here, that will be, once the humidity hit 67, actually it's 66, the fan will running, and 69 fan will stop. So that'll be 1% up and down, or 68 will be stopped. So 1% up and down. So right now, if you want factory reset, just unplug it and plug back. Back to everything factory set. So that's it. Okay. And yeah, this temperature will come up, so that's 68. So that's 60, 59. So you can calibrate, go up or going down. Okay. Then you want to change the setting in here. You hold it in here. Okay. Then going down, go up. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Any questions? Just give us a message. Okay, bye-bye.